This is a short video about a continental pheasant shoot at Sellwood Farms. That's near Sylacauga, Alabama, just southeast of Birmingham. So we had a first shoot of the year, first pheasant shoot of the year at Sellwood. They have about 5 or 6 continental pheasant shoots of the year. Tried something different this time. I experimented with a camera on my cap. So it worked out okay, so I'll show you some shots. We had a good time. Weather was kind of changing. Front was coming through, a little overcast day, not too cold, and the birds flew good. They were pretty high. So I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy shooting this season. All right, load up here. Here we go. So get your guy shooting. Good shooting there.
He's shooting good.
Didn't have to spend a lot of ammo on that one.
No.
I think you behind me, if I had to guess. I only had the camera on my cap for 3 pegs, and there are 14 pegs. So you can see that we got some pretty good shooting in. Not every peg has as much action as we had on number 6. But there was plenty of shooting, so you probably need to take 3 or 4 boxes of ammo with you when you get a lot of opportunity to shoot those high birds.
There you go.
All right. You had the shooting partner, and on the incoming birds, usually both of us shot, and many times both of us would hit the same bird. So that makes a lot of fun. Kind of have that team shooting, and you know, kind of work off each other's skills.
Hope the dog can find that.
That was team shooting on that one for sure. Shot behind it.
That was bad.
There were dog handlers and retrievers out there. I think the dogs had a good or better time than the shooters. One of the shooters brought his Boykin Spaniel with him, so I know they had a great time shooting and picking up the birds. The gun that I was using was a Browning 425, a sporting clay gun. It was built in 1996 in the Maruku factory in Japan. So it's a heavy gun. I really like shooting it on these high birds. It's nice and steady and it helps absorb the recoil. The ammo I was using was a Herter's 1.25 ounce number 5s. These were European shells. This really is more closely to US size number 6, but they're only at 1,220 feet per second. So that really helps with the recoil. And you'll see by the from the video, I was still able to reach out there and hit some high birds. Chokes I were using were Briley. They're improved, modified. As my friends in the UK might say, a 3/4 choke, not quite full, a little bit more than modified, and again it helped with those taller birds. Hunters and staff at Sellwood really do a nice job to make the shooters comfortable. Start you out with some coffee and a sausage biscuit in the morning, then you ride to the field in a wagon, come back and they have a lunch. We had mac and cheese, green beans, and some smoked chicken. That gives them some time to clean the birds. So the birds are split evenly among the shooters. They're vacuum packed if you want to freeze them. So I brought mine home, and one set of birds we had for dinner. If you have a black stone, what I did is I filleted out at the breast, put some olive oil on that hot black stone griddle, salt and pepper on the breast. Cooked them for a few minutes, and then we had them on a salad with spring mix, some pecans, and some cheese. So I really made a nice dinner. Other ones are in the freezer, so that's a nice bonus. You get some fun shooting and also some nice pheasants to bring home for the table.